Project 1. Series and Parallel Circuit by Bits 4 Bots. Series Circuit.
In this experiment, we'll need 3 modules: the lamp holder and the light bulb. You'll need the on-off switch and the single cell AA battery holder and battery, and our fork wires. What you'll do is insert your light bulb simply by twisting the light bulb into the holder. Rule of thumb, righty tighty, lefty loosey, so twist it to the right to insert it. You'll need 2 red fork wires and 1 black fork wire. Here's how you connect your modules. Simply rotate your thumb screw again to the right to tighten, left to loosen. So you'll twist it to your left to loosen it up a little bit. And what you'll do is, with that little space that's been created, you'll slip your fork wire underneath that thumb screw and then tighten it to the right to secure the wire. You do the same thing to the negative side of the lamp holder. In that space, you'll insert your fork wire. Again, you'll twist it to the right to tighten. And you want to make sure that connection is nice and secure. Here, I gently pull on the wires to make sure that they are secure. Next, we'll continue this process. Here, I'm going to unscrew the negative and the positive side of the switch. I'm simply going to connect that remaining end of the fork wire from the lamp to the switch. And here, to the battery source, the negative. Pay attention to this. This will be important for current flow. You want to attach that lamp positive to the negative of the battery. And then with the remaining red wire, connect the positive battery terminal to the switch. Go ahead and make sure that you're tightening righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Now, pay attention to the way you insert your battery. You'll match positive to negative in your battery holder. Here again, the negative will go to the bottom, the black terminal, and the red to the positive.
Pause.
You want to just put the bottom in first and pop that right into the battery holder. Great. Now that we have our circuit wired up, let's test it. This is the way the current will flow from negative to positive, and voila, circuit complete.
Pause or replay this video as needed. Project 2, Parallel Circuit.
Okay, welcome back. So in the parallel circuit, you'll keep your series circuit intact. And what we'll do is add another single cell AA battery holder. You learned in the first project to connect these and pay attention to the polarization. We will also, here, we're going to add our batteries connected in series. So here in our batteries, these metal terminals, they touch, and that is how the electrical path is completed. Again, one slips right on top of the other, so you'll snap it in. Just pay attention to the shape. And in a straight line, we call this a series connection. Right, so you're going to plug in that black wire that we mentioned in the first series circuit to change it out for the red wire. We put a black wire there. You'll need a second lamp and light bulb. And what you'll do is you're going to loosen the black terminal on your first lamp holder, and you're going to add both fork wires under that one terminal. This is also still a series, but what you'll notice is that what we're creating is a second loop. So the difference between the series and a parallel circuit is a series circuit is one loop. When you have a parallel circuit like we're connecting, we're creating a second loop. So anytime you have more than one single path for the current to flow, then you have a parallel circuit. So once we have our wires connected, we can go ahead and test our project. You can see both light bulbs are now glowing, and you can visibly see that there's one loop in the back and one loop in the front. Hopefully you've connected your circuit just like I have and it is working properly. If not, just rewind the video, pause, play, and repeat as many times as needed until you get your circuit working. Great job if you got it done on the first time. I'll see you in the next project. Questions? Contact us at www.bitsforbots.com.